Hello friends, today we start the chapter 14, Statistics, class 10. Today we start the important things of the media. There are three types of the central tendency, measure of the central tendency. First part we study the mean, second part we already studied the mode, and last part we study the median. We already studied the third part of median for group data. Today we study the part of the median of a group data. What is group data? There are two types of data, ungroup data and group data. Here we start a topic of median of a group data. Please subscribe this channel, like, comment and share this video. Here formula of median of a ungroup for a group data, m is equal to l plus n by 2 minus cf divided by f multiply h. M is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F multiply h. तो पहले हम सिंबल ये सारे सिंबल क्या है वो हम देख लेंगे, उसके बाद हम एक एग्जांपल लेके उसका सॉल्यूशन करते हैं. Here L is the lower limit of the median class. Lower limit, L means lower limit of the class. Class means median class. N that is a sum of frequency. Total number of frequency, that means sigma fi. That is equal to sigma fi. That is equal to n. And CF, that is the new part. CF, that means a cumulative frequency. CF, that means cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding of the median, preceding to the median class. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class. जो मीडियन क्लास होगा उसके आगे के क्लास की क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी हमें फाइंड करना है. F means frequency of the median class and last H means the class interval. We already studied F and H in the part of the mean. तो ये सिंबल का यूज और ये फॉर्मूला का यूज हम एक क्वेश्चन में देखते हैं. एक्सरसाइज 14.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Here, the following tables gives the distribution of the lifetime 400 neon bulbs. Total number of frequencies 400 neon bulbs. Find the median of the lamp. उसका हमें median find करना है. ये information हमारे पास है. कौन सी? Lifetime in hours, that is a class. तो कोई भी बल्ब 1500 hours to 2000 hours होता है. जैसे number of lamps कितने हैं? That is equal to 14. 2000 to 2500 hours बल्ब चलता है, उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी है 56. 2500 to 300 hours की लैंप की नंबर ऑफ लैंप्स है 60. There are so many bulbs. 1300 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500 and last 4500 to 5000. Number of lamps are given. First we find the cumulative frequency. How to find the cumulative frequency? 14 का 14 पहले लिख दो as it is because it's उसके आगे के क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है? 0 है. तो 0 plus 14 that is equal to 0. अब इन दोनों का हमें एडिशन करके यहाँ लिखना है. 14 plus 56 that is equal to 70. नेक्स्ट इसे एडिशन करके जाना है तो CF हमें मिलेगा 70 plus 60 that is equal to 130. 130 plus 86 13 plus 8 216. 216 plus 74 that is equal to 280. 290. 290. 290 plus 62 that is equal to 352 and 352 plus 48 that is equal to 400. Therefore sigma fi is equal to 400. Last cumulative frequency of the last class that is equal to sigma fi, that is called a number of frequency n. Okay, तो पहले सबसे पहले ये इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे पास है, उससे हमें cumulative frequency फाइंड करना. क्लियर है? ओके. Here first to find the median, to find median. मीडियन की प्रोसेस पहले समझते हैं. How to find the median? सबसे पहले m is equal to n by 2th term. सबसे पहले here n is even an odd number. n is even and odd number, सबसे पहले we use the formula m is equal to n by 2 term in group data. Clear? Here n is a 400, therefore m is equal to n by 2 term. Otherwise, suppose m is equal to 425, then also we use the formula n by 2 term. So first we start m is equal to n by 2 term. N is equal to 400. 400 divided by 2 term, that is equal to 200. 200. तो यहाँ से हमें n by 2 से क्या फाइंड होगा? मीडियन क्लास. 200 यहाँ पे कहाँ आता है? चेक दिस. 40 में 200 नहीं आता. CF में देख रहे हैं. कौन से क्लास में 200 क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है? कौन से क्लास में क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 200 होती है? इसमें नहीं होती है. इसमें भी नहीं. यस. उसमें 200 इन्वॉल्व है. 216 means 200 is involved. Therefore, the median class is 3000 to 33,500. Therefore, तो सबसे पहले m is equal to n by 2 से हम क्या फाइंड करेंगे? मीडियन क्लास. Therefore, median class is equal to 3000 to 3500. How to find? 200 कौन से मीडियन क्लास में इन्वॉल्व होता है? 130 में नहीं होता, जिसमें 200 ऑलरेडी है. सबसे पहले देखना, तो 200 इसमें इन्वॉल्व हो जाता है. Therefore, the median class is 3000 to 3500. अब सिंपल देखते हैं. फॉर्मूला इज इक्वल टू m इज इक्वल टू l प्लस n by 2 minus cf divided by f multiply h. Okay, formula L is equal to lower limit of the class. Lower limit of the class, that is equal to 3000. Lower limit of the median class. Class means the median class. We already find the median class by n by 2 observation. Therefore, L is equal to 3000. N by 2. Symbol is n by 2. N by 2 we already find. N by 2, that is equal to 200. CF का मीन क्या है? क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द क्लास प्रीसीडिंग टू द मीडियन क्लास. मीडियन क्लास के एग्जैक्ट के ऊपर के क्लास की क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. ओके, क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द मीडियन क्लास प्रीसीडिंग टू द मीडियन क्लास. देयरफॉर इट इज इक्वल टू CF. CF is equal to 130. Once again, cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class. ये मीडियन क्लास आ गया, उसके ऊपर के क्लास की क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. F means frequency of the class. F means frequency of the median class. That is called F. F is equal to 86. And H is equal to class length. Class length means subtraction of this two term. 3500 minus 3000. That is equal to 500. That is equal to 500. That is equal to H. Substitute all this value in this form. L is equal to 3000 plus n by 2, that is equal to 200 minus CF is equal to 130 divided by F that is equal to 86 multiply H is equal to 500. 3000 subtraction of 200 into minus 130, that is 70 multiply 500 divided by 86. 3000 plus 35,000 divided by 86. Both number divided by 2, that is equal to 70,500 divided by 43, and its division is 608 406.98. That is equal to 3,406.98 hours. तो बल्ब कितने टाइम चलेगा? मीडियन डेटा is 3,406.98 hours. That means approximately 3,407 hours ये बल्ब एवरेज हमारा मीडियन मीन्स मिड में चलता है. ओके.